towards dishes and finally another session of Cook and Talk. I'm in Bangkok already, and most of you know that I spent the last month in India where I took a lot of videos, but unfortunately I was facing some connectivity problems, so I couldn't upload any of them, but I promise I'm going to do it in the next days. So I hope you notice also the improved video quality. We got full HD videos now and stereo sound, so it should be much better. And the first Indian dish I would like to show you today is Lauki Kofte. This is a fried vegetable in a spicy sauce, which is really typical for the Indian cuisine. You can find a lot of vegetables here prepared with spicy sauces and spices like masala, like ginger, cumin, garlic or chili. And often this is prepared in a mix, of course. And yeah, I hope you enjoy this video. Thanks a lot to Punima, who was cooking for us in Jaipur, and see you next time on worldsdishes.com. Bye bye!
Hello, welcome my kitchen. Today I am making Indian dish and Lauki Kofte. So I already have ready, and this Lauki, 2 tomato, 2 onion, garlic and ginger and green chili, and small flour, wheat flour, salt and cumin and color yellow, coriander powder, oil, have milk, have water. So first I'm this cutting, but I'm not cutting this, I'm like paste. So I'm this paste and tomato paste and cut onion and cut garlic, cut ginger and cut green chili. Okay, now I'm cleaning sikina. So this one paste first. Okay, so I'm this one clean first and paste, and now have this one. Maybe and this one is one. Yeah. It's very dry. And this here. So now I'm this on and cutting, but I'm tomato not cut, I mean paste. So first tomato paste. Okay, ready is my tomato paste. Now I'm going and cutting an onion. Garlic, very small. Cut and ginger. Very small. Cut and chili. Everyone cut and tomato and paste and this one paste, so I'm finished. Now I'm starting this one. It's Lauki Kofte. So first oil. It's making small kofta. So in here half a spoon salt. Half a spoon coriander powder. Maybe 1 bowl flour. maybe 5-10 minutes here. So my dish is ready and see it's brown color. Everyone this color. Again first cumin, maybe 1/2 spoon. And cut garlic, cut ginger, cut green chili, fry for 1 minute, then cut onion. Everyone fry, maybe 2-3 minutes. Okay, now I'm frying onion, garlic, ginger and small brown color. So I'm now this here tomato paste. Fry over 2 minutes. And then half teaspoon coriander powder. As color and yellow, little bit, and half teaspoon salt, little bit. Yeah. Okay. Everyone fry. Maybe 2-3 minutes fry. Now little bit water. And 5-10 minutes this on fry. 5-10 minutes. Okay, this 5-10 minutes. So now I'm looking vegetable fry. Ready to fry. So now this here milk. This here milk and little bit water. So 5-10 minutes this on boil. So ready my this masala. I'm looking every oil side and masala. And so now on everyone this here. It's kofta. So ready my Lauki kofta.